Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things? Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Anope mema obi bia nkrankra nyina eti mi anope mema wakwa aba eba yedwumedi a efia da bia ye de ba ma akwan ene nso adom no me de me ba me se adom ne nti yenya ahoden yenya nkwa yenya nhyira na yemfa enimde kese soronko embre adofo nyina ne etifo nyina megide say anope ho ye wherever you are watching me. This is BWF Solicitors Legal Hour with Manye Ten. I believe the topic that we have for you today is going to be very, very beneficial to you and the entire family watching us right now. Enti se wabit siemia me srew wabeshemia bomodia na share program no na enkwe chichichichichichi edu Friday morning sia muhu enije a eho se pe a me wo esanse ye di enimdie kese bi a ehinta dodo na no ye de ba ye bie so na ye hu kwan a ye befa so a ye nyina ye ho betoye enti enemenya ya ye papa Uncle Bennard ya ye bibia senior partner e BWF BWF Solicitors oni ye edi imran 30 years and counting na obi besie so what 30 years experience and I just say imrano what dorumu ye say eye awo kra na wo a nka by this time one na shishu and na just say fourth generation mo kra na airways enti me gidi say the depth of knowledge or work for all these immigration some litigation mitigations family law any even yen krom Ghana law kra na yɛde ba ene no megye de sɛ wobɛte asie yie na wɔto ho anamo metwa me ho sema pɛ na me ba na afei de dwumadie no ahyɛ ase media ne Manye Ten. Have a good morning me ba sisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Yo, mesama munyina akwaba yakutwa ye husima yaba yekire yechi akwan eye BWF Solicitors bibia obehu yen se ne ebe ya ye program na ape na wetu anamo na wafre ye anase waba ya so ye na ye ne wedi dwuma fefefe na wonso wo hu ehin ha o BWF Solicitors ndwuma ye no edosu yi na se ye bebre akeka aka ho embia na wo Ireland embia na wo Scotland embia na wo trese kro wo so no Aberdeen and I said Leicester and Manchester, any all those stars standing in ano now wa now ope say MB and BWF Solicitors for eduwasem emawa menua bema me papa ensuro embo hu kra eno ane say o de frɛ telephone number no na ka sɛ ma sɛ mo hie ni kwan bɛ na mo bɛfa mo betumi aboa me omo telephone consultation wo ho omo video consultation se ne be a wo hwɛ mi saa pepepe na at your comfort of your home no obetumi ne omo aye sɛ interview ye bebi sound nsɛm nyina ehia sɛ o sɛ utwa kwan tenten na obehu omo da bi they've made all these available options a obetumi atena wo fie na ne omo aye consultation na yedi wasɛm na ama afi ope say wo send you document in so omo kwan bebre so a they can receive the document from you a ehun hia say obetwa kwan enti me recommend this BWF Solicitors bomodiam na fa wasem ebeto mo endwen sika ho bebre say me de sika me ni sika ntina wote we hia so na asemo eto brabe hu omo ye nipa se ne tie bia no omo no beka na ntiase aye adwuma na afi mo ahwe se ne mo behwe mu sika asemo nso esi afa enti no ema ensuro eneme wasem dede ede ma dodo na mo wasem dede ede ma bebre ene se memma ho kwan na Uncle Ben de nchia kese ede ametiefo na afe ochi omo wie ya ma be introduce ene asema ye wo mamo no na afe ne ede nkomodie no ato aso Uncle Ben pacho ma good morning.
Good morning, Manye Ten. Good morning, Atiefo ne wana obeka ya ho. Yadamas danyamiase. Sa no pay mu nyina obeka ya ho nyame ama ya ho den. Yetimu ne mo bedin kita ho. Ichiamo, the Damason, so say every time be a mobekayamo.
Yo, Uncle Bayansu ya dase se emre bia yeto nsa frɛ wo a na odi emreka de aba enam se yɛse nimdeɛ wɔ hɔ wɔ nkwa wotiri mu a odi bɛkɔ owom na nso chicha ma wotena hɔ kyɛ nti no this is my own philosophy nti no mesrɛ mo saa na ɛteɛ no ɔde nimdeɛ no ɔde abrɛ yɛn sɛ ne ɛteɛ bia yeto nsa frɛ no aba yo yɛnkɔ so ɛnɛ yɛn topic a yɛwɔ no ɛmo ɔda ɛmo ohwam yie na meka ɛmo ohwam ayɛ sɛ yen krom Ghana, Ghana for and not even for just for the Ghanaians. Let me say most of our African nations, no. Yeah, now we want to visit Europe, we want to visit UK especially. Now, you know, for one reason or the other, no, yembe try and kakra, then we go back. Sometimes we our workload we have people that support us in our household. Now, Mika household, who are these people? Most support to our household. Mbia now or house help. Mbia even now or somebody who takes care of your garden. Mbia now who will be they only take care of your children. Who will be not just say Mbia unkuku omoni adi adomo no mosha so because of your work schedule or no. Not just say you need people to support you one way or the other. Say be a household ni na business will be successful. Na ekobani say afede ye tu kwan a na ato ya adwendwen embia na wenya business opportunity bi wo UK especially, let me put it this way, na opese wo baba wo ba nso embia na ode wo ba ana say embi kra wo asoye bi wo ha still as that nkrofo kro mo support wo pese mo extend o mo services no edema enso na ya na ato adwendwen ba ye de embia na okita nkwala mpo na opese oni omo nyina ba holiday afa wo ba holiday a nkwale hwan na betumi a support whilst you holiday and business at the same time near the ade e na to adwendwen na no knowing say akonya da ho akonya fefefe wo ho a straightforward simple and no say also tutu anemu yi na yenye say omo ye nipa du kra na omo boa wo a obetumi ne omo nyina de we cha ba be yedwuma nene no kra na ewo mu no ye be frɛ Uncle Ben wa be cheche ye mu enti se wo be hwɛ ye topic a me de aba no me patre say you can practical steps adebia when we use the word practical steps and let us say the reality nyoma obefa so a eye krojin a ebema application na wo ye based on ade na ye kire no ebe successful nti practical steps a obefa 1 2 3 nyoma obeye na obetumi ne your friend is saying housemaid and I say o driver and I say o domestic worker muntie o wo me manyeti me wo Ghana me wo fie kakraka me wo house help wo ho and I your friend housemaid me some wo driver o twi me one way mbia na me driving na me nye ho ade me some wo domestic worker mbia na oye 1 2 na sometimes nyina no ene ankeba ben ba be chirichiri mu. So practical steps to make a successful UK visa application for your housemaid or your driver or your domestic worker. Eno nene ye ba be chirichiri mu. Nti mesre mo amaba so no mesre mo share program ne nkwa echiri kakra ma me mesre mo Dane me da se Frank me da se Sandra me da se Sandra me gidi se oda so enjoy wo honeymoon kakra dodo na ba na agima mo wo he tileduma mo nyina mo share because ade we de ekoma obia nti Uncle Ben meta atonsa e de afro na wa be cheche nti first of all ye ka say domestic worker kra na eno kra ase atresen minim say abo housemaid there just say asabo driver asabo domestic worker Uncle Ben when domestic worker answer kra metumi mpo e de na be ka me ho wa ha say ono no boa me ntimi ne ba na wa toa ne moa ene so e wa ha say e de ama me ba twa daroma
You manye say ye kase domestic worker in a private household. Na kyerɛ sɛ obi a ɔte wo fie hɔ anaa ɔbɛyɛ adwuma ma wo fiefoɔ obusuafoɔ wo kun wo yere wo mma ɛna deɛ ɛkeka aka ho no nti yɛka sɛ domestic worker in a private household na adeɛ kyerɛ ne sɛ obi a ɔte wo fie ɔne wo te fie a wotim anaasɛ Oba efie a wotim na obeye adwuma ema wo. Adwuma ne bi ne sɛn. Adwuma ne bi ne sɛ ɔno aduane. Adwuma ne bi sɛ oklini. Adwuma ne bi sɛ otwi wo car. Adwuma ne bi sɛ ɔyɛ wo personal protection officer. Ɔyɛ wo security. Ɔyɛ wo bodyguard. Ɔyɛ wo child minder. Ne nyinaa ɛyɛ
Domestic work.
domestic workers in a private household.
Okay. Hey, and why you specifics in your in a private household? Nature say, me amiti Ghana, me amiti Nigeria, me amiti any of these African country. The people that work in my house for me, omona may tell me as domestic workers. Na me house no na ye private household. Nature say ye commercial free. Mpacho say sana o patre no.
Ana ɛteɛ.
Yo, me that's
Definition no at the emphasis about domestic
okay.
private household. Can you be oye adwuma wo adwuma mu company? Ɛyɛ possible say oye adwuma wo fie ba company ne tua ne ka. Ɛno yɛ possible. But I was so oye adwuma ɛwɔ wo fie a wotim ɛnyɛ fie a wontim o. Efie a wotim either say ɔda hɔ anaasɛ ɔba ana ɔkɔ. Into two types.
Mate aseɛ sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ tiefoɔ nso ɛbɛte aseɛ yie nti hɔ no mama Uncle Ben ayɛ clarification ne pɛpɛɛpɛ nti Uncle Ben sesia no me wɔ me private household. I've got all these domestic workers mehu sɛ mabɔ driver koraa masan bɔ housemaid na saa wei ne nyinaa ɛyɛ terms a ne nyinaa they work for me nti ɛyɛ domestic worker in general nti no meba UK especially na mepɛ sɛ me ne ɔmo ba meka sɛ me ne ɔmo ba nso a menim sɛ UK immigration or UK home office anaasɛ British embassy no they have a requirement a ɔsɛ medi so ansa na metumi ne me saa nkurɔfoɔ yi a ɔmo yɛ adwuma ma me wɔ me fie me ne ɔmo aba nti no requirement bɛn ɛna mehia sɛ ɔsɛ me fa so anaa menya na menyɛ saa application wei.
And the first thing is the entire program over the last few weeks, comfort after lawyer beba bewo, the person me mama ba, the person me brother ba, the person we ba, lawyer meet me the obi abe boame, lawyer meet me I say, and me bemba mo where ubit me the aye. The I have very important because a very successful, say any successful. The eligibility requirement now we hear no. So you can't be a eligibility requirement and then the bema why successful. First of all, Nipano I was wedi at least 19 years. 2. I was Nipano oye adwuma ema wo ewo wo fie a wo team intebe outside the UK. Anase oba ebeye adwuma ana oko. 3. I was say nipa no woni no wo employment contract. 4. I was say nipa no wutua no a owo evidence say wutua no. 5. I was say nipa no say wo de no ba wo kire say woni na sign another contractor ewo appendix ODW 5.2 a friend statement of contract a home office for na a prepare. 6. I was say nipa no which say oba ha ubetua no minimum wage. Me no ka say minimum wage £10.38. I was say which say oba ha ehihye a woni na hihye no wo betimi adi so. Enti yesi tua no minimum wage £10.36 no. Say if your oba no be adwuma ma 8 hours a week kra na about 400 and something pounds a week. Who was say scanner with the betia no? We will be a nipa no waye adwuma ma for at least 1 year. Sa niema we nyina no will be provided evidence. Enti mame and recap bio. 19 years of age or above, waye adwuma ma 1 year, waye adwuma as domestic worker ewo private household. Or for at least 6 months. Wamono mainly no what Ghana. Make see mainly. May I explain the entire make us mainly. Ubetimi atena Ghana. But I was our presence or Ghana. Ubetimi akyerɛ ɔno na tifi. I was our kyerɛ wotua no ka ɛwɔ Ghana nti ni pay slips and bank statement or contract. Omo de aka wo sɛ ubetimi ashow insurance, medical insurance, pay slips, bank statement, or contract of employment. Yeah, you use ni nyinaa because you perceive win. But crucially, no, I was saying no sign another contract. As a contract now, we don't know what Ghana no. I know your employment contract under the labor law. Oma ye new specific labor law for domestic workers. Ghana. Let's babe kan wasem. I was saying what say omiti Ghana minimum wage. Sisi a Ghana and neya amenoka say minimum wage £14 sorry 14 cedis 88. Me calculate it's about £527 even for 8 hours. Ghana no your law na oma amend na a labor law for domestic workers no. I was say onya rest for 8 hours a day consecutively. I was say out of 7 days, onya 1 full day off. Now, the entire made the emphasis to so what draft to employment contract no Ghana at the manner. Me person would draft to my comply with the Ghanaian law. Ghana contract no, I say, I was say or yeah juma or 2 fee ana or bako. 2, I was say with you minimum wage as you see £14.88. 3, I was say onya rest every day bia onya full 8 hours rest, which means out of 24 hours, no, obetimi ayedwuma ma 16 hours. But so also ayedwuma ma 16 hours, I was so 14 cedis 88 an hour. I was say onya holiday. I was so onya 1 full day rest. Sadi we nyina no, I was so the share contract. Why is our contract in Ghana? No, over deposit one, our labor office, our district now or one. The entire made particular emphasis Bremen say. So who person who proves any pan year a juma mawa. A very easy. So why is our name a the final point I'm a person who say when you wadrin say or baha abaye juma mawa. I was a woman a new contractor and no a specific to adwuma ọba abɛyɛ wɔ UK. So ọba wɔ UK ọba UK a obetumi agya wɔ adwuma na akɔyɛ obi adwuma. Ohia so ɔbɛbɔ home office abandeɛ. But ọba we after 6 months no ɛwɔ so ɔkɔ. Ontumi ntena ha permanently. Ɔmo a ɔmbetumi de ɔmo aba longer ɛyɛ diplomat and the ultimate the number for 24 months extendable. Saa de way and lead to settlement. Ọba ontumi ngye benefit. I was so tianaka. Oba, I was so Chinese obenya baby ada. Oba, I was so Chinese ubitimi tianaka. No because a lawyer, now they are okay, say I enter Ghana, and in America say, I was so ususu say what Ghana. And Menkasi yes, but for argument's sake, what ha, but what I call Ghana, but over Maid will fee. So I made you know, be on a show, mammy, and TM fans on a show, and a woman me. Your contract, man. Started as a kegu na accounting. Yes, say I was so why you man for at least 1 year. But evidence almost can some evidence for 1 year. Almost some evidence and then or year jumama, which is pay slips and bank statement. And tisa waha now person would do be ba. Oko yesi. Normally no oko fa unuaba oba BWF Solicitors and Uncle Benwa. Yabeka se nipa na adwuma bɛn na ɔyɛ nipa no no sika obedi nipa no ɔbaabi te ɔwukum ɔwɔyere basa wo fa saa route di a saa nneɛma no nyinaa ho nhia emphasis no ɛbɛba wo so wobɛtumi atua ne ka wobɛtumi ama ne baabi atena wobɛtumi ahwɛ sɛ wotua ne ka wɔ Ghana wobɛtumi ahwɛ sɛ ɔba ha wobɛtumi atua ne minimum wage. Those are the practical steps a ɛwɔ sɛ wo follow why a contract amano UK contract na da wobɛtumi akyerɛ say na UK for say contract na was say to immigration rules where your friend immigration rules appendix domestic worker statement. Intimuno line by line. First of all, only din wudin data all started data baby. Yanko. A din baby obeye. Baby juma obeye. Yanko. The job title or your driver or your cook or your childminder or your security or your maid or your cleaner or the job title na show. Baby oba abeye juma enti oba Anna house abeye juma mama because mete Anna house. Enti me dia show. Oba abeye juma ewo Anna house. A name and address of employee and also total number of rooms, total number of bedrooms. Ni nyina what they are show. Hours are oba abeye. Bear in mind say UK law is different from Ghana. Ghana no you see a day no betimi aye juma ma 16 hours. UK won't mean ye juma ma 16 hours because the minimum working condition. The minimum working condition I also follow. And just bear in mind say we a UK contract now. Only UK lawyer and kasa. Oba ye betimi aye. But ye the way out to hosa na one so betimi aye. And two betimi a ko copy. Ni pay no any. UK minimum wage and minimum kasa £10.38. Enti say £10.38 who was car would be tia and I will would be an overdrawn. I will see you. Yes, uncle. Holiday. Bear in mind, sir, are entitled to holiday. Ning I will say state to a contract. Sickness, absence, and also yanko recruitment, transportation, and other fees, and also when you know I near my UK a buy no person own. Because oh yeah, visa application amana. So document we the two and a back deɛ wowɔ sign ana deɛ ɔno sign na wɔde aka application accommodation yɛnkɔ ne nyinaa ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ wɔhwɛ so deɛ sɛ wodi saa de wei so a I can assure you sɛ nipa no a ɔba abɛhwɛ wo ebi a woba abɛwo ebi a woba abɛyɛ biribi ebi a wobɛtɔ nneɛma ebi a wone wo ma aba holidays ebi a wopɛ obi a woba a ɔbɛtwitwi nneɛma mama wo obe clean wo dan obe yesei anaase bibi ni nyinaa no odi hyema ɛyɛ very very important once a healthcare wo either say obeto comprehensive health insurance amano enya hibia comprehensive health insurance and cost to hibia and you offer for 6 months or less passport oba passport when will the entity over the asha the employer agrees that the employee will retain custody of their passport. Manyeti within the India. Be more than Crawford no more seize your passport.
I had no
Meaning and say I'm Nigeria and Libya prosecute you now.
Yes.
Modern slavery. 1 year careful. Ada wait me a year free. 1 year careful. Nani pardon ebe modern young case be abuse.
David.
Over 2000, the year 2020. Government Ghana buying the new law by a friend of labor and domestic worker regulation 2001 2021 Ghana workers in home buy and extremely important so person will be by also follows step by step. It's a friend of practical steps to make a successful domestic worker in a private household. The Manyati is a question be or may I happy
what mu bebre na tiefo safe no adwene ya ene ehwe about practical steps to make a successful UK visa application for your housemaid or your driver or your domestic worker. Now, Uncle Ben mu from beginning requirements, eligibility, ne also we nyina up to one ne beba ha na bebia manti ase ye kakra mpese ye behwe ne bebia o see terms of contract how the home office dey abekire enfefefe na trese Ghana de na owo no eno no ewo ho wakọ register wo labor office nti no mo evidence ampa wa employee usimasi a oye adwuma e de ma nti sisi ase wo ba be yes application na woni na ba one ne ba or say o san fa home office there no say na wo Ghana into obeye call home office there site no ada no fill all this part how they tray yen we prove evidence nyina now they account old one na wo Ghana no now they account ho e dey application na mpacho ho na manti ntiechemu ni ye kakra.
Yes, so overseas domestic worker in a private household. Home office ankasa a draft to almost statement.
Yes.
Obetimi adapt as contract. Niemo matru mu nyina mpese ni nyina abem. Into Ghana the end na odi ye adwuma. Nti emfa say yenye fee ye won krofo ho am ye adwuma ma or gardener or driver or house help or security man. Omu nyinaa wɔ contract a wɔyɛ adwuma. Nti ɛno yɛ different from deɛ woba UK a wobɛyɛ no. Deɛ woba UK a wobɛyɛ no, because UK no mbɛtumi bɛtua no 14 cedis 88 pesos. Ɛwɔ sɛ wotua no £10.38 an hour. Ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔ baabi a ɔbɛtena. Ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ woyɛ medical insurance aba no anaa travel insurance. Ɛyɛ very critical. Why we nyinaa no, ɛwɔ sɛ follow UK law. Because all law na wo krom na different. All law no so obetimi ayɛ adwuma ma 16 hours or so gina ho na ho 8 hours. UK so your friend be minimum working conditions. Crucial say we follow UK law no. And this document we be sign. Na ni pa na o no so assign. Now they are Ghana contract no and the pay slips and bank statement.
Yes.
Now they are visa application man.
Okay. Yate ase afe ne yate ase ankebe wacheche mu ye nti no afe tama wokọ no nso no o kan say obi betumi atena ha nti na bia me British citizen me te ha me san te Ghana na dodo na even though me a citizen no dodo na no me tatena Ghana ana say me ye British citizen no eno ne de mentumi nka say Ghana na mete na me de me worker ba ha mpacho ho no etumi ye yie sa me kita British me a citizen wo ha na nso metumi aka say Ghana na mete na me de me worker ba mpacho etumi ye yie sa na
I possible pa enti normally no mo abota tutu kwan no obi wo ho a every 3 months be a call for be a 1 month and 2 weeks no aba no call no aba I allowed say ote ha na ote Ghana I allowed almost mainly ote Ghana sabi omo nkofa o passport hwe say and then we did 6 months for London and now we did 1 month for Ghana we yes no just no mo no una wo catch on say ote Ghana mainly udi nipa no ba ye be kire no payments a we many nipa no because with the Ghana bank account na ye ma no ye be kire no say contract a wo de ama no Ghana ye be kire no say owo efie a otim ana o ba bi oba be ye adwuma wo family home a wo ne wabusuafo ete even so makra na eba holiday a obetimi aka wo ma ho na oni o maba. That is how easy this is. Now I say it's easy because you're man for. Normally in this for no more American for more bibico because no be always says be employed be now I didn't baha. That I understand. But where opportunity a bit me aboa me so be say obeso de cars and bad obeboa. I am possible. Intia I was say first of all I was so contract to Ghana, who Tianaka, was started Tiano. Almost I was so I hear Jumama for at least 1 year. But almost castle way application now for 1 year proof no count. Contract in a bachelor how many years I hear Jumama. Men cast a back date contract and yes,
David.
Can say contract a back casa amount. And payments are we say.
And also,
bottom line is your baby treble. This is how I'll be to me. I am possible.
okay.
Ye sad now, Obama was a person in your bar visitor. Maybe or year or ba or die or here or ye Juma way or car or a unique and tomorrow you will be no, we are so bad. I want me to try a challenge what you are still bit me the number. because I am a worker or private household.
Okay.
Universal property. Bank account or one say every month piano,
Okay.
Uchianek. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Agbe wa ma ya te ase because we be say ade we but ye can be bom asema ye ka ne nyina we be say parables kakra wo mu enti say still on te ase ne nkọ be bia ye pa kire na bomode ye wie program na contact the office ne book appointment na ye nkyerɛkyerɛ mu na ye ma wo hu because sɛnea anka be kyerɛkyerɛ no ɛyɛ kyerɛ sɛ wayɛ ne simple a kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtumi obiara nanso if you only go through this process na ɛbɛba fɛfɛɛfɛ ɛde am dodoɔ no na ɛwo a wotumi wo wɔ ha paa na anka bɛn ho akyerɛ wo na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ easy na bia na obi ka sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ne niece ɛbɛboa no kwan bɛ na ɔbɛfa so wode ɛno atie program no wobɛhu sɛ wobɛtumi ɛde afa so na waba sɛ biribi kyerɛ w'adwene a na wopɛ sɛ wotu ho anamo na woyɛ a ɛnyɛ too late you can always start from somewhere anaasɛ wonyim wotaa kɔ Ghana wonyim sisi a na wonim sɛ wobɛhia obi saa na wayɛ a start to anamo hyehyɛ nneɛma sisi a nkakra ɛbɛdu 3 4 months anaa time a ɔbɛwo no na woatumi build all this evidence na wode ayɛ nea wobɛyɛ no ɛno nti na yɛwɔ ha sei no anka bɛn meyɛ sikani paa na meba no mewɔ me driver wo mesan mewɔ me maid ankrankra mesan mewɔ me garden a ha nso ma bi a fie a matɔ fie wɔ ha ɛwɔ me mortgage me backyard garden kakraka ɛda hɔ enti nea mepa akyerɛ ne sɛ adeɛ a ɛda hɔ a yɛtumi fa so steps a wokyerɛ yi is there any limitation as to nipa dodo a waemploy mo a wobɛtumi ne amo aba anaasɛ sɛ nipa 10 koraa na you can afford a wotua ɔmo ka ɛkyerɛ evidence biribiara no ɛkyerɛ sɛ wo na wotua ɔmo ka na wobɛtumi ne ɔmo nyinaa aba anaa nipa baako limitation bi wɔ hɔ
Mpacho, when we Saudi Arabia and Crawford na escafo no ba holiday wa. When we that. Or the bar and the Ferrari bar. Car no mo see play mo the bar.
ɛde
Wo sika na chere. Sebe we wiamfo na de a wo aye AD11 na. Chese wa mu nika. Na wo so ko fan Crawford 4 aba. Akuatene wo. Na Crawford 4 we dey tuo mo ka. When we cry, container being out to what we need to do is say, I was saying realistic.
sa
We account what Ghana, scale Gumunya 300 cities. Also, say, which will be 1,000 cities a month. Those are, for me, the realistic options I was seeing in but the facts I could bend so bit me and interest. Yes, gardener, cook. Let me be frank with you. Yɛyɛ ma nkurɔfoɔ mo motumi de nkurɔfoɔ fɔɔ ba obi wɔ hɔ a ɔhwɛ ne ba yes obi nso wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ cleaner obi nso yɛ cook obi nso ɔmo wɔ din bi from ɔto ne nneɛma ne shirt ɛno adwuma a ɔyɛ a
ɔyɛ laundry
ɔyɛ butler obi nso yɛ butler and they come. I mean, these are extremely rich people because the rich people who have resources are, because hey, Nkrofo was killed. We are a bank $500,000, $600,000. If you work around $1 million, net them. I mean, they've got money. So they will be to send Nkrofo 4, 5, 6 air bar, and no problem.
Okay.
But what do but what I keep saying is ɛyɛ nneɛma a ɛwɔ law ni mu a yɛyɛ maa yɛn wɔn wonim a asɛ yɛde biribi asie o that's how it feels and that is why with BWF Solicitors over the last so many years we take our time to show how saa nneɛma wei ɛyɛ adwuma because sɛ obi ɛyɛ informed the informed decision so you're informed or you're the decision onim sɛ ogyina biribi so na ɔde yɛ and that is why I keep telling people say Bibi aye boss biya no. Aye doable. Obetimi aye. It may be say I was so ye ho adwuma kakra. It may be say I was so train na time obemu kakra. It may be say I was so gather evidence. But whether gathering evidence or waiting or aye
Yeah,
possible.
possible.
Yeah.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Here for enche bia maybe a telephone lines no. Mbia na wo ade a wo pese wo bisa na enche da mfa we ho ebi nso na efa ho a wo betumi afre telephone lines na we bisa na me 2 minutes per na afi maybe telephone lines na tum na wo afre wo a wo question bia no wo betumi ebisa ade we me da Uncle Ben o kan statement, bank statement oho no mpacho say me de me bank statement na ekwa sɛ me ɛnyɛ ɛno nyɛ commercial ɛno nso yɛ me private bank statement ɛno nyɛ yɛfa ne sɛ mbia edwuma mewɔ edwuma wɔ Ghana nti no mede me work yi a me ɔhwɛ me wɔ fie no ɛde aka me payroll so wɔ edwuma anaasɛ me private statement no ɛno na sika no efiri mu ɛde tua saa me work yi a me ma no nti sɛ nea mede kyerɛ no ono nso ne de no will correspond say ampa busumi bia na otwe mienu bia mechia ne ka say ekọ enti saa two statement ne nyina na e wo se me de ka ho na me de koye saa application no ana me de na is enough because a show evidence a show was so say enti maybe sa two questions say your friend is saying say mbia me wo company bi na me de nipa ya oye adwuma ma me wo fie yi ma kire bibia so oye adwuma ma me fie areva no company no na tua ne ka nti no the statement no will reflect and I say me private statement me or bank account me no no na payment no efree mo e de ma nipa koya ma employ no mpacho oho no betimi ama a bit clarification kakra na enya ho nti ase no.
Okay. Well, first of all, no,
Mhm.
evidence here, evidence. And I was say a free authorized financial institution. Ghana Unimomuna. Say
Yes.
a private bank account. And I mean, with the NHR, yeah,
Mhm.
house helps, through our business. And
Mhm.
that is allowed. You can do that.
Okay.
But whatever account I will show, no, bear in mind, sir, so Obaha, Ska will be Chiano, no, maybe triple or quadruple Ghana deal. There
Okay.
was no Ska our account maybe to make your Ska. You don't have to be paying her here. But also we show say who Ska Obaha will be to me Chianaka. It has who Chiana Ghana and a hands will be to me Didi. So who use private and you'll be on a business account.
That's
So who
all.
use private account and you're okay.
Mhm.
Once a fee, um, we make a savings and loan. I don't know, but if the financial institution are approved by Bank of Ghana, someone near you, and they know them, I'm more listening, say
Okay.
your private and our business, it doesn't matter.
Wow. Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Ninchichimu. It's here for maybe a telephone line. Questions and so I start to say bantino. Maybe a telephone lines. No, na ube to me in community coso, but also ube to me the would abana Uncle Ben. You are no, yeah, was 0208 123 1016. Ewo ho a ube to me afre baby biara or ufra ebetum na sɛ mbia beebi a wogyina no nso no na ma we anaasɛ wofrɛ na obi gyina so a wobɛtumi asan frɛ 073 9920 8468 sɛ wowɔ Ghana na wopɛ sɛ wo contact wohwɛ program yi na woyɛ interested sɛ wobɛyɛ saa nso a wofrɛ a na wode code no aka ho ɛbɛba fɛfɛɛfɛ mbia na wo beebi a wowɔ no ɛmma wo ho kwan sɛ kogyina baabi na yɛ telephone call a bɔ mmɔden na yɛ voice note Eba saa namba yi so ɛyɛ 07596620 ne so wode ba so a ɛno nso yɛbɛtumi abɔ fɛfɛɛfɛ na yɛma wo mmoayɛ na Uncle Ben bɛyi wa no menya first caller ɛwɔ so na okay di kan fa ansa na mafa me messages na ɛwɔ ha no nti caller a wafrɛ nyame nhyira wo sɛ wo ne first caller wetumi afrɛ abawre mu mpacha wo kasa free me yɛnte wo nka na yɛnte wo question
Anyway, that must be the Dennis because of his stock on trends.
okay hello Dennis
That must be the mobile Jumapa. I mean,
amen Yes,
I
yeah,
share my
that's.
brain. Anyway, now maybe me last week and me EU family member and I could break up with you say EU family member be automatic way be near the for permanent. Now I think I make up I feel born now maybe say but out over to throw more lights at the soka
But
krama
who could
and
see a program, Nadia?
oh me jinamo every Friday we are me
Me
jinamo
last week, there, yeah, now be some question, we know. What's
I
ye?
me pacho me tie but na you brief and the videos be so sending us me copy but a brief on there something you know
And
me
to
pacho we there
you, and your she,
me pacho you
and your
na
she.
carry
So,
on
I share program, Nadia.
pacho not yet mo ba me share to group
But when you're not share,
pacho
mammy.
me pacho me
Yo,
and
I
I
go
we there
remember, man, in my
okay
kakra, mammy.
Okay, well, the American last week and I started about yesterday. I started your emails. Even a cry, I wish I could show, but Nipet obedient was I can show it to you. Almost I say, because of case of EU monitoring group, our court, high court case, so over pre-settled status for 5 years, ne wouldn't illegal. Almost Ashisha said, so obi 5 years no baby wua. Omo select bi mo a omo be ma omo 2 years. Menka se menya application, but omo say actively no omo be select no ma brew 2 years. Omo asa kan sisupi say we EU ni abusua ni yere eba ekun wo fa ase na eja nana. Wo koya why 5 years na actively no omo select bi mo a omo ma omo indefinite omo enye application. Almost say unya say obey bibia. Those are the things that yenya email from Monday. Almost every day be yenya email about that. Into almost start here. Amend the appendix E, the APP 01 and APP 02 account, which means allow amend the Act, Immigration Act 71, Section 1 and Section 3, and so amend it. And that's what it means. But so whole time no best so the entire mechanics, you will be more EU ni no, ni omako, nti fee. Possible says uncle for no, mehwem a select you, so me run checks be automatically. Na you, na bro either 2 years or me bro indefinite stay.
Papa, what it? Say.
I'm a chance and I wait there but another one be so there for education na say na yen no bi o so bi abeti ase
Okay.
na but na be bisa say so pe you know be naturalization na on say be a criminal we be kakra o and o be anything because me leader da binya tawa bi kakra ama case
And so, Uber declare, you can't hide it. You have to declare everything and why, yeah. Well, recording Kwana when you're caution, when you're there, just declare it. Say honey conduct, no?
Yeah.
So,
But say, how would it be as so effect ubenya woman okay so applicant up to woman
and then what could be
oh there be so the education na yen nyina no won yen nyina no be na omo ba mu nten omo ni mu ti no na omo bi
Uncle
bibia no
Ben
ba bi
entry
bibia
conduct muka cranche. Why? You, Uncle Ben, me that say.
Okay. And first, no near be a friend of ROA, Rehabilitation of Offenders Act, and that's all. And yeah, you my immigration bill. First, sentence, conviction is spent, you don't have to declare it. So, see, offense be a when you're the be also declare. Yeah, be a friend of toting up to your convicted, Anna, your sentence to imprisonment for 4 years or more. Very unlikely, so obey British citizenship. Say under 4 years, and no, it take it 10 years. Now, omo bit me aye. Say 12 months and below, and also take it, I think say 3 or 4 years. I'll bit me aye. But say I did 10 years so, I did 1 year so, I will say we declare. Because almost the predicted will conduct as Banyeti can and criminal behavior but a conduct. A bit is auto adia untia, okoji loan untia, okoya high purchase untia, council tax untia, near the court near final, ningina who speedy basa basa, or those speeding ticket no and one of the reasons. But okoso nyenya, then it becomes a problem. So when you be asem na copy court, either say assault and I say aggravated assault, whatever it is, say a criminal conduct dealt with otherwise than proceedings. I don't know, almost 12 months to 2 years spent. But be we be no table down.
That's right.
Hwɛ table no na hwɛ sɛ me time na twam a sɛ wo time no twam na woyɛ a wo sika no bɛba akɔhyɛ wonya na ɔma refuse.
You. Papa, that's why.
Yeah, that's it. Na me shira mo. Why?
Ya me share one. So share we ma remfi.
Me pa cho me.
You.
Thank
Me wo obi gyina so mpacho mpakwa ma peko this is ya mame 2 minutes. Na me mbisa we ansa. Yep nua be ma adan mu no nkomo say can you use money transfer as payment for your employee in Ghana? Uncle Ben. Money transfer na momo ye aba na every month bia no ye momo e de akoma no ana into the bank account but otumi use so eno so as evidence ana
Nkrɔfo bebree a ɛyɛ adwuma no ɔmo yɛ momo transfers.
that's
Enti once a wɔ other document
To make some inquiries.
but what my people call no kwasa we kire ahwe na mantumi anyi we mfiri so na si ana na yentie ne akebe na ka no why pa cho
enti either say woyɛ money transfer momo ne nyinaa ɛyɛ acceptable. I was say we backing up with pay slips. I was say we backing up with employment contract. I obetimi ayesa. Yes.
Okay. You Uncle Ben me that say me nua ba unama endi 8897 pacho yeti ukasa.
Hello.
No, unama endi 8897 una me no ukasa no he.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Meetium pacho koso good morning mami.
Michelle. Pacho, in case me the health and care beside me by but my name has but me ba ono wo ba ansa na ye worry. Pacho kunya wo say we do to me no aba. Na changes how so don't be increase the application so pacho can then the effect.
Okay. O nti sesi a onu ukuru ni nyina wa ha.
Pacho dey afi na obeba.
But wo wa bedu ha dada.
Me ma ba be do.
Okay, na o ka say ono ni ba no eye wo waba na o pese o hu say kwan be na one ne beba enye wo ne ba but ono ne ba right pachote menka okay yo Uncle Ben pacho mami ni your health and care school worker route bi na ode aba ono edi kan aba ka ni kru no beba but omo oba eye ni kunu oba be baba ako a opese one nso ne ne ka ho but enye oba ne ba na obi sasa kwan be na oso fa so a ye betumi ni akra na aka na ni kunu ni na ba.
Okay, and I'm say last week you pore ho kakra. First of all, say obi de ne ba eba. Say nipa no wa ha ana owo Ghana ode no ba no. Say nya wo fo mienu no na eba. Your free be a friend is so responsibility. So responsibility you free sir and you factual. Because it be a factual and evidence based, the obetimi a chere area. And you find the 5 elements of every human being of a child's life, you know. Growth, emotional growth, physical growth. Then our man, education, health, financial, right? And things to do with religion.
That's correct.
There are 5 broad items. See, the global item, a woman, or your case law, or your case B to say TD, case B, whatever it is. I was so interested. On not taking all the major decisions in the child's life. And in this case, and what my mem fa upon mama. Me go school. Mema school now for letter. School no say letter I'm born say this is to confirm that Antubam is in class 2 at this school and the father pays the school fees and I'll recommend him. And I say this is to confirm that Antubam is a student of this school. Antubam's father, Mr. Kojo Antubam Sr., is the person that brings him and collects him from school. I can also express my professional opinion that because of the facts known to me, I can say that the mother is not in his life and he has exercised sole responsibility.
Okay.
A person, school, hospital, teacher, clinic, chemist, asori, imam, mosque, saa letters in Omuchro. Saa
Okay.
letter Omuchro say, Aisha too comes to this mosque and the Makaranta. I can say that Aisha too is the daughter of Mr. Isifu Bakari. And Isifu, I can express a professional opinion that from the fact known to me, Mr. Isifu Bakari is a parent with sole responsibility because the other parent has not been bringing the child and is not interested. Simple. A factual expression of opinion. So who
Okay.
express your opinion? NT. Because Omu refuse. I'll be frank with you. More workers are more de
Abanoma.
for body abanomaba. Omu refuse. Ebi so metena so saa 6 months. Waba na wo because omu society ntimi nja omo. Enti say we follow the year kana which we've been doing. I think sir maybe next week we'll pick it up. Maybe we'll do a proper video, 3-4 minute video. But BBI can be no, helpful. So when it comes to the issue of sole responsibility, no,
Yes.
anya brofotro, anya factual.
Every.
And just say a letter 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. Our application, but aya evidence aya they count. In
Okay.
certain instances, no, mekrano mekase instruct to social worker. Na onye report na social worker no nka sɛ waba efie hɔ waba interview akwadaa no wa interview ne papa wakɔ school wakɔ interview ne teachers ɔbɛtumi a express a professional opinion sɛ papa no nko ara na ɛhwɛ ne ba no maame ne ne life no. That for me will also be. It might cost you 1,000 cedis, it might cost you 2,000 cedis, but a money well spent. And this is how we do our sole responsibility cases.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Ben, Mommy, say when you answer no. Tie me phone so tie radio ni so nti na ma nya me ma me respond on time. Oh me sure say wate. Na me oh sorry. Me sure say wate yenka na sorry say na me ka say wonte. Na Uncle Ben oho no ho. Ye be ye hu video bi but on say o kan say say one ne yire foforo na waware no ne ti fie wo Ghana. Ena omwenya saa akwanya yi ene abanoma nyina na tifie embia na maame no nso wo no nso ne badada obema yi nso wo no nso ne badada ena maame no eja omo ho na ono edi kan aba se na ebe ya ono papa na eba na ono ni aka no nso aba enti ho no ye beka ho asem but ye nipa bebre e wo line na echi nti no ye nko quickly ye mfa kola na ejina so kafra se we ejina so ache pacho ye fra wo se na wo kasa friend. Hello, Kola Mpacho.
Mpacho Mia.
Mpacho wa mami, sorry.
Yo, good morning, Medati Bebre.
Good morning.
Yeah, me bisa bibi about if from Haji, I'm especially lending.
Yo, mami.
Me bisa bibi about EU adoption. Nipa kro was Spain. And now why Obiaya adoption amano nipa no so was Spain but why settlement UK hanu. Inti na me pese me hu say say na wanya we no why UK dependent no obetimi kwambe so no befa so obeba UK gise papa no a wo adopt no so ne nsa e de ne ba kurum ha na se obetimi aba e bia with the consent of papa no na wa bewra mu ana se gise obetimi aba UK just only with papa na wo adopt no mienu kwa ne betimi de number how to enter UK only papa no was Spain. And why adoption amano now 18 or 19 years.
Mommy, my two question asipa na mimbisa o mpacho eni diemo. Papa na wa adopt akra no wo he.
Why settlement wa hado no wa ha wasanko we wasanko back to Spain but nenkrata ye adwuma wo kuromu ha.
Ode anka no enye no na meka misro nipa dodo na etie ye na enye yenkwan so officials ofcom monitor program no ntimpacho me question me be so straight anka ben be you no but me more straightforward answer tio.
Okay
oti hisesi a oti Spain
abaya no wo Spain akola no wo Spain
akwala na ya adopt no not Spain na ne papa na wa adopt no nso ti Spain
na wo ha no wo go wasan kwa na chi ba na yi da so ya adwuma wa ha
enti mpacha ho na ya ngboso misrewo
okay
enkasa enti eno ase ombra ono oni akwala ne nyina mbra preko simple ana mami
na me pese me hu se bia me metimi ama na invitation ama ne dia ba be wura ma na se ji se papa no nko a ho no na e be ye ko
Oman invitation no dey be room se visitor na ase dan oye ma wo man invitation so ba se visitor na
so oba be hwe ha no mo bia se bia me no metimi ama na invitation with that papa na ma ne dia be wura mu bibisa
oba be den oba hwe kromu anu asako
se bia papa no betimi ama ne consent se bia oba wo papa no din mu me just me ntini ma bia se kakra nti wo de nkyire mu bia wo de be ma me bia den we move on
bia wo se yeso yete wase ansa de aba wo nkyire mu den na wo bisa obetena ha oba nsra emu de we
me pese wo mbra ha no eme yesete me papa no so obeya ama no obeba abeya ama no ba wo nye ready so wo ba for now
pacho ne den ni akola no wo se wa ya adoption or court document ana
yeah
our court document
wa ye ni nyina wo ho no Spain ho
it is na papa no ate ha before December 2020 obetimi ene
wa settlement ni nyina wo ha
enti anka ma mencheche mu kakra ma me hold on papa no oti ha oti UK ha wa ye settlement or Spanish but wa ye ni settle status e wa ha ena sisi a oko holiday ma me dey titi ena sisi a papa no ko holiday was Spain onyamba but ne bana or depend wa ye dependent amano no ono ni wa ye documentation amano no akwala no nso was Spain ho but sisi a no papa no pese akwala no nko eba UK because ono papa no wa ye ni settle status before 2020 Brexit no wa ye oti kromu ha ena okọ holiday nti obisa se akla na nkasa betumi agukuru ni bag se me papa aye adoption ama me wo kromu ha nti me a me ba kromu ha abetna ana se ewo se papa na so ne nsa no ne ni twa border e de ba kromu ma me anya no ane wo question no
pepe me da no ana
well first of all no akola no ebi okuta Spanish passport dia fine okuta Ghana passport or so je entry clearance family permit but your passport be no cra
wo kra Ghana de
nti wo so je visa wo ho ansa na waba why
okay all right me
that's mami yo nkrofo me bebre from fra na akati nti wa wo fra yen kan question back more question bi wa I think say nko say me ma na answer kra but no hu say me bisa question na ma ne nti anke me pacho me bisa yenua by say good morning please can someone who entered with a student visa but couldn't go to the school but switch to skilled worker visa, go back home without any intimidation from the immigration or the border force? Thank you and good morning again. And to the question here, Uncle Ben, when you switch cause one school, no, now we switch it to skilled migrant or ye, my person or Ghana kakra now, but bisa say, immigration from go jojo.
There be omunim wo wasitena ansa na almost switch on enti almost switch on once almost switch on so wudi wo ehye no so a wo kwa adwuma yetua wo ka say would you pay within the required eligibility requirements, holiday, problem be anyhow, obey me yes, wait to me.
Mati, yo, yeah, that's it. Na encrophone, see, good jojo no. Oh no, no, so who are you smart enough? Your questions need there. You can avoid on baby some questions. And to one also who asempa. No, I come at Thomas Zoom. Now I trumboko. Why? Migration questions, dear, na a hard dream. And ra, where there will be by and ra, this co workers, on be queen, maybe chomukeke. Na ye bisa no ne employer a obi ya ye we interview bibia wa pass through ye bisa wo ne employer friend is say no obo no anything where I asem 3 times who is your employer no aboni din se brofo no nte ase o se ne na adwen no ne ye free ho uncle Ben eto de bia na ya asefem kakra yo etiefo a wutie me pacho o free my ente onka. Caller
Oh,
also.
good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Mm-hmm.
My name Uncle Ben Edasine Mujuma Pamudi community.
Yes,
My question is who indefinite leave to remain. Now over British where open naturalization. I saw we train after 12 months and son why and I said immediately after say when you're indefinite.
Yo, Uncle Ben Pacho, Papa Bisan a question. So 1 year, anyway, Uncle Ben be you are why?
Okay, and we have British Nationality Act, Section 6, and a cover naturalization. 6.1, a cover 5 years, and a 6.2, a cover 3 years. We go through 3 years route to your mobile worry British citizens. So what worry British citizens, idea was what you're say what and how lawfully. And a date now with your application or indefinite stay into time be any. We under 5 years and I was we now indefinite 12 months about. I don't know as actually.
Pacho, so what you said there?
Another question already.
Hey, Mr.
Briefly, another question is so very indefinitely to remain now. B1 so Trinity College certificate no distinction here level B1.1 now. Who use no and I say
okay level B1.1 I didn't way not Troy.
Montreal GSE, I say the grade 5 entry level certificate, ESOL International Speaking and Listening entry 3, level B1.1 with distinction. Or Trinity College in London.
Yeah, speaking and listening.
Now
the year indefinite.
The year indefinite.
Obey to me, you so why?
No, say an expiring date and to say B1
no,
now.
Say, one you so exams no or so you so within 2 years out the year say do now when you so yeah or so yeah for from
the date I was only to March 2021.
Mommy, Papa, do 2 years now when you so for any application crowd yeah you have to do it again. So when you so pen the application be there any affable to me you so I did so. Why?
Okay. Uncle Ben,
Yo, Pacho, ma'am, it's you. Mammy, no Pacho, what do you too?
Good morning, Uncle Ben, no, my tea, show why Papa.
Good morning.
Online, see, most of you busy. Say, if you want a slot, I tell my it is to go online. Pay book slots in the program. I'm a time, son,
Adam. Oh, yeah.
If you're going to be a day, since Sarah, some day we are, Uncle Ben's about to win. They might able to Yama or be if you see no about where honey, Chenacouna. Or you're awkward the day, says a yard, Sierra. Necessary share contract, Mamma be. Let a pen who was so free, Mamma, about what you can answer yard on the Jim Papun or Bana day. In Bilbia, you might order in Papun or Son to my application. No more TV so contracts no. I mean what to buy a DIY and I don't that become a lawyer be more contract after the business. The Ghana for so I understand BB the mobile. No we can ya one bucket shop be no true will be under contract. No bro in your papa the letterhead near the same. A Kali no was room of a it's no one say
you. Oh, yeah. And then, I hope you heard our woman.
Yes, yes. My team more kind. Martin there, Mranis there. Nipana is an obana, what friend overseas domestic worker in a private household. Or there why you juma mao afekro minimum afekro. Now, me car to there. Dam afekro no. More bachelor why you juma mao afekro no. Onye contract na the bachelor. Tigana contracting. Tiomfa na ye 2023 ache de oye bisio oye benyu once we zabro 19 years botum dinaba but wodo ache de wa ye dwuma ma afekro contract na be yen Ghana nso won hyehyɛ wo enti se pede ye contract bi mana na wodo ezi Ghana mmra no do Ghana mmran what's bay onche bia ma wa hyehyɛ ne de nipan owodo yo edwuma wo wufie anade oba ho obaye edwuma a otu wufie ebien awodo e kire de itua no minimum wage ina menye wo kase minimum wage no aye 14 cedis 88 pesos for 1 hour owodo onya ahom zebia owodo onya ahom for 8 hours ina na watwe ni nyina owodo onya ahom edakro into 7 days naturally oye edwuma 6 days but so oye edwuma 6 days na mpo or start anopa on the 6 o'clock no wa prepare fie ho nyina onkoda ti on the 8 o'clock naturally why edwuma 12 hours or you within the law because some order oja home 8 hours and naturally botuma edwuma 16 hours but ode tiano 14 cedis 88 for that period and you're careful but some no would each over 3,000 cedis. Until what I should contracting nun to me DIY because I have very specific requirements. So you educated that be able to my internet and then read the Ghana domestic labor law. Na edaya. But I would your contracting suman for UK. The Obaha, a Jumo Baba Yama ono, Shisha Owusu. Sky between on so UK minimum payment, minimum income, minimum wage. Minimum wage is say or £10.38. It's what I share. Or they Timmy Cheder, them scanner I can, but me tia. Or they evidence there over Ghana and Itianica. Now, emphasis that our moon at Ghana mainly. It is a UBBA acquired there, no free qua, then we raise suspicion. But you knew so there, say at Ghana, never Ghana passport. Say, could do Ghana one stamp for passport. But to put the Ghana card into can. Say, it's a British passport, eba, you do answer on stamp. And or your proverbs na man. Who there at ha ana at Ghana. Men can't them, but may catch scenarios of what you may see.
That's right.
Evidence na be using. Evidence no ye kroje ama odekwa problem bi enyo. E wa account e use wo Ghana. Say if momo be your MTN momo a user tumtua na ka. Pay slips no wa comply with Ghana law. Wo medical insurance abotuma ya aka ho. Oba ha nso medical insurance abotuma. So wadam nyama ni nyina yes botuma ya no aba. But Mr. Onye DIY contract mpacho.
Oh yeah.
Uncle Pam say, Nanya Dory Basu, number Bama cleaning not as saw this got to call out them brand.
I'm a walk there. Oba, Obotume, we Jawe Jumano Akwe Jumama will be. A Juma Odoyan, my friend or domestic worker. Obotuma Yano for 6 months, no alcohol. And when you can there, Okoye Juma. Today cleaning cleaning company and IBB. But what to me jaw ho akoye juma ma bi foforo as overseas domestic worker.
Okay.
Only no home office amania. Only permission no obey the mazin. Aye.
Okay.
Okay, but that's it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Uncle Ben, with that, no, if one can't home office, so nim hushia, net is still a assumption there, home office on him there, our nor ye jumama. Chedam not 6 months need to knock with you there. You can always bring her as long as all contracts no.
Yes. I do my kind of say, Obaha, obitimi akoye adwuma ma obi. Say, obesan be adwuma ma na ntimi ni nyina ye mo am nhyehyɛ. And ade a me hwɛ ne say, me wo eba wa ha be mete Ghana. Me baba no ta aba Ghana pa. Nti emfa so te Ghana nso. Obewo anase yamakwan ye obekɔ adwuma. Or a single parent or ma 4 years and 2 years. Opese me maid am ne te Ghana, opese obeboa. Nti ye nyina ya fa ne say I don't see Maid. I will see my evidence the children. Near my make advice abedema into be an imsana obey the dear kama. But I idea ye a yaman crofo de be a possible. Mainly omo a yaman money is for but men casse uniska unto me. The American say evidence no evidence no quadia and you'll be to me.
Okay, yo, Uncle Ben, that's it. Order for a while, Maso Cafra, why? Pacha Oka frame my unka.
Good morning, Mekase Free London here.
Good morning.
Me pacho me tie when common pana me problem is me dependent student visa nibia.
Okay.
But me partner no or this work school ni die. Na ye bidru ye do na me sia obi a me pesa me ware no ono susu kra. No, I net our crash visa na the percent the percent me free me student visa no so me dependent na me na me pa nurse na so the skill visa crash skill visa na me pese doctor lawyer chemu mami hu kwan me fa so a me tuisa anamo no nti no na me free wadaroma.
Okay, question me anka sama anti ba me gidi san Uncle Ben de wati ye na Uncle Ben ye nua be my question ni
Opesa or switch it as a dependent to a skilled worker near nurse or no more waha and that will be yes wait me a switch it so we are our independent to be switch it yes
Papa why anti no
me pacho me nyanti asio na me pacho me die wo me say me nyang ware na afi na me be ware no na die me na ware
pacho there no there o kan sa menti ase wo ye dependent and now ye main applicant
me dependent
wo ye dependent
pacho
na o yire
na me die me be ware no so no equal is skill visa ono no na ye nurse no but me dependent of student visa na ono me ono no main applicant no.
Okay. Inti se si an divorce o current wife. O depending on no ye student o divorce no. No akwa worry obi foforo ye nurse ono nso ye den ono ye main applicant. Say any question no.
Yes please.
Inti obi sa say ebe yie sa ana say.
And a kwan me fa so ametina ye no ebe.
Yo, say ne mo divorce no say mo divorce ni go through. Na wo say what divorce no. Wo divorce no nso a say ebeja wo kwame ahe na je say wo ne hwe o. Say wo divorce no na je say we fi na ase. Enti no ho no a complicated kan ke ben edamu fia dia possible sir.
Yes, issues now we're raising are legitimate concerns. But sir, ubetimi a seamless divorce omo entwa wasete ne ma ubetimi a switch. Because ye physically no omo ntwa mo a o ye lawful. Enti ubetimi a switch. Possible. And once obey sure say bibia we be a na show. Why?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yo, that's a papa. Wash your time near ye be. I'll take a last call and after the mama. Yenya ba Deborah Abemaya there. the version, English version. Mumba Sontem. Pacho, I don't remember France, okay, friend, sorry. Pacho, I'm a pickle corner, okay, friend.
Hello, Manje. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Uncle Ben, Pacho. Masem bisa kremina misimi bisa. Pacho sesia IHS no munya in tumono. Asat now no say oh the way you fulfill ba. Pacho I non kwa I IHS no tuase Pacho.
Hey. Papa, I mean, so, but to be a questions, and I mean, say you can easily find out this thing online. No way, Google, but patch me. Why need to near one of patch me? Don't mind me. Uncle Ben, patch will be IHS boy.
Well, IHS, no, I think say 635 for a year. I'm about a man of 33 months instead of 30. Until we multiply 635 plus 2 years plus months in the which is the extra 9 months now. And then the actual figure. So 2.5 years, I have 1,560. Naturally, say 2 years, 9 months, I broke a crack. But what is scanning in it's about $3,600, which is just about 3,000 and over pounds. Yeah.
Papa, what's
Come on, that's it.
I'll say it, yeah. Why? That's your mobile to money cry now. Honey, no. Yo, young fan to say enough. Young share young platform. I think I've got one question. Be honor. Na yimbisa na fe mama yenu aba Sandra Ababe ye. Nana Prince, is it compulsory unless the applicant has? Oh, sorry. May kind Uncle Ben answer or the ama Prince question be o bisa ewo hono mo enti no say me voice note be by ba ma download wa pap ne pa ko send yem pa cho me nim kwan ya o ye ma download I still not downloading send ya mebo ama enti no obetumi asa send ya ba osisi ade a metumi aba Derek yebo say hello Uncle Ben and Manye, please, what are the requirements for switching from the 10-year route 10-year parent route to 5-year route and the cost involved? The direct question, if Uncle Ben.
And your maintenance requirement, your English requirement, your accommodation. English, so we'll start at level A1. I always say so bit may B1 a year. Because what the English language in a year a successful application in Wuda. We are at home. A biome I was say we are Juma and now we scar with the I was say what baby. Those are the three basic. I was say what limited leave to remain. So I know the basic ones I was say meet, yeah.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Me invite ye nearby Deborah say, oh, now for the English version of today's topic, practical steps to make a successful kind of saying UK application for your housemaid, your driver, or your domestic worker. No, now or the abet to amaya. If you na your last words are your no, na mama Uncle Ben, and the abet to na fede na yakwayinim. Yo, so Deborah, if you can hear me, kindly give us the English version of today's program, and then we can continue from there.
Thank you, Manye. So today we looked at the topic of practical steps to make a successful UK visa application for your housemaid or driver or domestic worker. So a domestic worker is someone who either lives with you or comes to your home every day to cook, clean. The person can also be a bodyguard, a security person, or a child minder. So there are some eligibility requirements that the Home Office have prescribed for those that want to bring such people here. So first of all, the person has to be at least 19 years old. The person has to be working for you in your home. They may either live with you or come every day to work for you. You're also supposed to have an employment contract in place. You're also supposed to show evidence of payment.
Yes.
When you're making the application to Home Office have given a statement of contract, which when completing the application, you would need to complete that as evidence of contract as well. You need to show when they come here that you will be paying them the minimum wage, which is £10.38. And also they should have worked for you for at least 1 year. So when they are in Ghana, you're supposed to have an employment contract which complies with Ghanaian law. So you must be paying them the minimum wage, which I believe is just over 14 cedis. They must be getting 8 hours of rest a day. They must either be staying with you in your home or be coming to your home every day. They are also entitled to a holiday. And once that employment contract has been made, you are supposed to deposit that contract at the Labour Office in Ghana. So that is a contract that has to be in place with you and the person when you're in Ghana. But when you're completing the application, the contract that you make has to be in accordance with UK law. So Lawyer Bennard showed us on the gov.uk website the appendix ODW 5.2 statement of contract and what you're supposed to state in that contract. And so when they are successful in their application and they do come here, they have to stay for just 6 months maximum. They cannot receive any benefits, and also this does not lead to settlement. So this is a little I will add to today's topic. Thank you.
Thank you to our dear sister Deborah. Yeah, that's it. Uncle Bear, my friend download na banti. Yeah, well, just 2 minutes. Be miss away. Just 10 seconds. 27 seconds. Member na ye na no quickly kakra. Emma me poucho.
Mighty, good morning. Uncle Ben, good morning. Pacho, dear body. Pacho, last week na Uncle Ben, Kasafa, EU4, so we to indefinite leave to remain a brown application. Yeah, and Pacho, we can push a catch the mocha, one of us. It will be automatic.
Oh,
I'm
say we the Uncle Ben, yeah, no, say. Oko tie program no ko echi kakra nke ba yi ano fefefe wo ho enti no mesra we ni die mo eja ye bo a se o ti just oko reverse kakra nke ba to ne bo ase acheche mo wo ho no enti mesra wo anke ben ni die mo pa che na de na od be jaye.
Well, Manyachi, my member be a coco. My person be a complain say ya two at the name. Almost on better.
Yes.
Monday near we July, you call August. Between last week ultimatum anytime. What application be a save sika because from 624 a year to 2035, that's a lot of increase. And to be our application ye be no men tena say yeah. Se time no so ya what only lawyer and kasa lawyers what tricks be a use our meet with their wow. The other thing na me person be a hu say more train say mo benye sika ansa na mo application. Enye ade a was say wo ye bi da. Minimum be or train ya ama overstay for more than 14 days. And I'm nyina nso munim say under paragraph 38E of the immigration rules, who overstay for more than 14 days. Why overstay? Not just or lawful residence and now be illegal. So when this car would be here, we IT guru or any footballer's manual, there we be me apply for fee waiver. Because fee waiver no would it tuma almost considers a part of the application process. Into a cover. Some refuse so who live no and day. On 10 days now what they fresh application. No I good say obia wo means no nko obetimi a kire se bisika na mentimi save nkoye application na apply for fee waiver. Actually Fante Casey is a King's counselor. Ono Anababa Charles and Akweku achina nti mama yɛn nyinaa yɛnkɔ support no na yɛma no vim na ontimi and deliver my na
Yeah.
I hope say next week nso yɛbɛtumi sɛ next week yɛbɛyɛ nsesɛmu kakra Eunice ɛbɛyɛ Fridays na me ne Charles ayɛ Thursdays because when him say Eunice yɛ ɔyɛ maame ɛna yɛama kwan nti ɔsɔ hwɛ no mma no nti you know yɛbɛsesɛmu kakra nti ɔba a mongyina hɔ a wɔatu na yɛnkɔ so ɛyɛ yɛda mo ase bebree.
Yo, agbeyansi yɛda ase bebree tiefo aha na mmerɛ bɛma yɛn ho kwan na yɛde dwumadie no aba awie yɛ megye de sɛ w'ani asɔ w'ani agye ho na aba ne saa nso deɛ mɛsrɛ w'ani deɛ mu continue sharing, keep posting it ma obi nso ɛnhu saa nimdeɛ yi na ɛnyane yɛn na yɛmfa nto anammɔn na a particular topic a yɛtreati yɛ no obi bɛte kasa no nyinaa ɛyɛ abɛbuo mu wotena ase din na wodwene ho a wotumi ho sɛ wo a wohwɛ me sesi a wokora wobɛtumi ayɛ saa na ɛteɛ ɛyɛ ana wobɛwo anaa schoolfoɔ ɛma kwan na wobɛkɔ adwuma ne ade no a trust me womfɛ mu a wofɛ sɛ yɛ easy ɛnda fam ahokyerɛ na wonhu woa na ɛhwɛ nkwalaa yi one ekofo even only omoko after school club cry one ekofo mo and so many stuff eko so about obi cry yare obi dia betu menim sebio say ye aponso me kana asem o yare wenya stroke edadem ohun kwan che say care ye de ma no no mo ba once a day na enso no obehu na ne ho chi no pese oye bibi ohun ne obeye ne ho ebi se na ye obusieni obetumi na obi abehwe no 5 few months abedu 6 months no wabehwe no kakra na okọ no asan ya kodi mre kakra no asan ye no waba wabehwe no kakra na okọ obetumi bibi se no na ye ka ho practical steps no it's not just about wo a wenya osika keke na wo ba holiday na wa ma obi edi wechi nyoma bebre hihye mu nti mo yentu ho anamo na dodo na mo esifia kese mo small businesses wo fie no mo ma yen help community na nipa hia moa ene nti na nka ben so ato ne bo ase na wa kyerɛkyerɛ kwan bebre a betumi afa so a ye di emoa ama nipa dasene nyame nhyira ye nyina o kyena the community and the law eba so mo make date na mo hwɛ mo ne be topic na mo hwam too na me kasa aminim have a lovely weekend. Na yenhwe nyina nyame nhwe ye dasene ebese hia. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.